Alright, so once you have sat comfortably with your spine erect and neck straight, gently close your eyes. Keep your body straight yet relaxed. Now take a deep breath in through your nostrils and then slowly breathe out through your nostrils. Do it thrice. Breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Now breathe normally. Focus your entire attention on your normal breath, natural breath. Do not try to control your breath in any way. Simply watch the breath coming in and then going out. Watch it from a distance. Do not pass any judgment about it. Do not criticize it. Just accept the way it is. Observe every inhalation and exhalation vigilantly. Thoughts might crop up. It's okay. Do not react to them. Let them be. Don't even label them as positive or negative. Simply ignore them. Bring your attention back to your breath. At all times, keep your attention fixed at the entrance of your nostrils. Just as a vigilant watchman is aware of every person who has entered the building and every person who has come out of it, be aware of every breath that comes in and every breath that goes out. Let not even a single inhalation or exhalation pass without your notice. Be alert, be attentive, be vigilant. If you hear some sounds in your vicinity, maybe a car honking, a dog barking, birds chirping, whatever it may be, ignore them. Don't get distracted by them. Don't label them disturbing or soothing either. Simply bring your attention back to the breath. Observe how the air enters your nostrils. Observe how it feels moving through your nostrils. Observe the transition between the inhalation and exhalation. Observe that slight pause between inhalation and exhalation. Observe how the air moves out. Try to observe each passing breath as minutely, as vigilantly as you can. But observe it from a distance, without any judgment, without labeling it. The breath simply is. It is the way it is. It goes in and goes out all the time. Simply be conscious of it. Do nothing. Change nothing. Initially, when you watch your breath, your mind tries to poke you with thoughts, this, that, but do not feel irritated or agitated. It's rather good that you are being aware of the nature of your mind. The more you pay attention to these thoughts, the more they will increase in number. Simply bring your attention back on the breath, and you will notice that slowly but surely the intensity and the quantity of these thoughts will decrease. Remain totally aware, fully observant, vigilant to every breath that comes in and every breath that goes out. Doing nothing, labeling nothing, simply watching from a distance without passing any judgment, accepting every moment as it is. Try to observe each passing breath as minutely, as vigilantly as you can. Let not even a single breath go in without your notice. Try to observe from which nostril you are breathing in. Is it the right nostril or your left nostril is working at this moment? Pay close attention. It's okay if you are not able to figure it out. Slowly, as you practice, you will know. Remain as alert as you can. Constantly aware of your natural breath, the incoming breath, the outgoing breath, incoming breath, outgoing breath. Be completely aware. Keep your attention fixed at the entrance of your nostrils, like a gatekeeper, like a watchman, aware of every breath entering the nostrils, aware of every breath moving out of the nostrils. Let not even a single inhalation or exhalation pass without your notice.